Matagrama Sindhu Sabhas Sri Damodar High Secondary School of Science is organizing annual science exhibition for the benefit of the students of all over Goa to come out with the innovative ideas. This is a platform given by our management, Sri Bhai Naik, to the students of neighboring schools and higher secondary, so that talented students can explore the hidden talent. And when the students interact with one another, they get a lot of knowledge and latest scientific temperament in the world of science, the changes. Now we have today 125 exhibits displayed by the students from all over Goa. Schools, higher secondaries have taken part, and it is a big festival for 2 days for students to share their knowledge. This has gained a popularity, and this is the 19th year we are giving a platform to the students, and we get a very good response every year, and students are also very happy to go and visit each and every stall and get additional knowledge about this day-to-day changes in the science.
Baby, I think I need to fix my makeup.
Again?
I'll be right back.
Yes, sir.
Champagne ad.
Sure, sir. What would you like to have? Dom Perignon or Chateau de Brini?
Second one.
Marocchi, sir.
मारक कितने दाखोबा जाई? 25 carat pure gold. Very rare. ठीक है? गाल आणि आड.
Oh my god.
Baby,
Yes, baby.
you are my star, you are my moon. जात मुगो काजार मुकोडे तू. Baby.
Don't understand gold? Don't worry. Ullas Jewellers gives you the best quality pure gold. Ullas Jewellers. Trust, purity, quality.
Main course, sir.
Huh?
Now I will explain you about first law of motion. This is our project. It required cotton, rocket, 2 syringes, 1 pipe, etc. As you know this, if an object is at rest, it always stays at rest. When you apply some force on it, it starts moving. As you can see this, I apply force on this using this syringe. Check this acid rain working model. Because of this acid rain, our environment is getting polluted, and this model is going to help us to understand how the overall chemical process takes place that is going to lead acid rain formation. Acid rain is caused due to several reasons such as volcanic eruptions, but human activities are the main cause. So we have implemented few things. So firstly, we have depicted a factory which on burning of fuels releases variety of harmful gases and other pollutants into the air, of which acidifying pollutants are sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxide. Then we have shown a cloud to demonstrate the acid rain. So when it rains, it will have H2SO4, which is sulfuric acid, and HNO3, which is nitric acid. So what happens is these acids like sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxide from industries, vehicles, etc. are released into the atmosphere, which reacts with water and oxygen and other pollutants to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. This acid dissolves in the water droplets in the clouds and fall on the earth's surface as acid rain, which can also occur in the form of snow or fog.
Acid rain is very harmful to agriculture, plants and animals. It alters the composition of oxygen. It causes respiratory issues in animals and humans. It also damages the monuments, buildings. It affects the aquatic ecosystem. As you can see in the picture, when Shah Jahan built this monument, it was clear white, and after effect of acid rain, it is turning yellow. You can see in this picture Statue of Liberty. When it was built, it was brown in color, and after the effect rain, it is green in color. Thank you.
My name is Kingsley Mancharu and my companion Durance Sarau. We are from Loyola School. We are currently in class 10. So we have designed a Goa Lifesaver. We named it as Goa Lifesaver. So why we named it as Goa Lifesaver? As you all know, Goa is not only known for its culture but also known for its alcohol consumption. Tourists shall come for alcohol also. If you know, 2 months back, during the assembly, the minister had said he wanted to ban the consumption of alcohol in the state of Goa. But is it possible to ban the consumption of alcohol in the state of Goa? No, it's not possible, right? So I designed a car wherein I used MPP sensor, then e-bike motor, battery, GPS module, ESP8266 module, and a motor driver. So I'll tell you how this works. Now we'll take an example. Like now late night events. We'll just take example of sunburn which is going to be happen. Then we'll take as Christmas parties late night. Then clubs. You see, the man and woman with their family and all, they don't know what exactly they are doing when they enter enter the car. When they're in the car, when they consume alcohol. So this car will help them. As let's take an example. Now let's take of my friend. Dylan Sarah drank, okay. He drank alcohol and now he enters the car. Now he doesn't know what to do. They'll go fast and no. So this through the sensor, it detects the alcohol. The sensor detects the alcohol what Dylan had drank. Through this sensor, it detects the alcohol and the car will move slow. So let's take an example. Dylan is going off a speed of 80. It will directly reduce it to a 10. Secondly, there's a GPS module over here which sends the location of the drunk person. It sends the location to the police and to the relatives also. So they can come and help him. Apart from that, even there is one more saver who's going to save him. The buzzer. The buzzer also plays a very important role in this project. Now how the buzzer works? Let's take an example. Now it drinks alcohol, the buzzer will buzz. Any vehicle passing by, let's take an example of that. This is another vehicle. So when the vehicle passing by, it will hear the noise of the buzzer. Once he hears the noise of the buzzer, okay, the buzzer is buzzing. That means the person is drunk. So he can get off the car and go and help him until and unless the police and the relative reach on the spot. Now my companion Dylan Sir will explain me about the Multicopter 2.0.
So this is a traffic monitoring drone. It, as you know, it's in Goa. There has been a lot of traffic due to accidents and all, and it's been a very hassle for the police station and the traffic polices. So this drone flies on top and gives a live location. It detects a crowd underneath. Wherever there is a crowd and all, where the accident has taken place, it detects it and sends its live location to the traffic police. So the police can go and clear out, get rid of the traffic.
It will send a live location to the GPS module. The car will go slow. It sends the location to the police and to the nearby relatives. It also have a buzzer.
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.